Hey everybody, welcome back. It is Thursday, April 30th. We have two parts for your workout today. Starting off for part A, we have 5 rounds for max repetitions. We will perform 20 seconds of deadlifts, followed by 20 seconds of push press, followed by 20 seconds of sprawl. We will have 1 minute rest between each of these rounds. So on the deadlift and on the push press, we are looking for you to use the same weight so you can transition from that deadlift to that push press. All right, moving on for part B today, we have an AMRAP. 12 minutes, as many rounds as possible. We will perform 2 kettlebell swings, 2 V-ups, 2 push-ups. We're gonna add 2 reps. We'll do 4 kettlebell swings, 4 V-ups, 4 push-ups. We'll add 2 more reps. We'll do 6 of each movement. We'll continue adding 2 repetitions to each movement every round until our time is up. Again, it's 12 minutes. See how far you can get. All right, everybody, good luck. We're excited to hear how you did.